Tastes Like Chicken, the expert food recommendation service. You know the problem. The menu has an unfamiliar dish. What will it taste like? Which one is chicken paprika? The problem with menus is getting something unexpected. But how can your phone recognize food? We've combined a recommendation engine with a crowdsourced database of tastes. Our software will identify what flavors to expect. We'll describe your food in plain English. We'll even recommend a wine. We base our recommendations on the tastes of your fellow users, not machines. It's ideal for foodies, picky eaters, and tourists. We're building a database of what people like to eat. When you're not sure if it's chicken, ask us, and we'll tell you.